besties, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be putting you through how to make a normal cornrow tutorial for beginners. Yes, so follow the step and you will get it. First, you have to pattern the hair. Make sure that the line is well straight. You have patterned the hair completely. Then you come in front, you pattern a little bit of the hair, just like what I am doing here in this video. You make sure you remove a little bit of the hair, then you comb it so that you don't have any tangle in while you are braiding. After you must have done that, you divide it into three, then you pass your first, should I say your first index finger, and you start braiding gradually. You catch the first hair. Just like I said, this is a friendly tutorial for beginners, and this is the first video I am dropping. The next video will be coming later. Mind you, there are so many other ways you can use in braiding hair. Yes, and this is just the first video I am dropping using this pattern and style of braiding. In my next video, you are going to see another method still on braiding. Yes, so if you are a friendly beginner or if you are planning on going into braiding, I think you can try this pattern because it's a bit easier and it makes the hair really neat. Yeah, so after you must have done that, you see, take a look at it. You see, it is very neat and clean. Mind you, this is not difficult. If you try it, you will get it definitely. So you keep on braiding and you're going down. Keep on braiding. Just make sure you take your time. Yeah, if you're a learner, make sure you take your time. If you are trying it on someone's hair, make sure you take your time. You don't have to hold a person's hair too tight for the scar to come outside. And if you are using a dummy, you have to know that a dummy is different from a full human. So the way you are going to hold the hair of the dummy is not the same way you are going to be braiding a human's hair. Yeah, so when you are braiding a human's hair, a full human being, you have to make sure not to hold it too tight, because if you do that, you see that the person is either going to have head pain or maybe a swollen scar or maybe irritation like that, or even wound. You can injure the person in the process. So you see, it is a very simple process. There is nothing hard in it. Like I said, this is the first braiding tutorial video. I am going to be dropping another video showing you another method in which you can use in braiding a natural cornrow, or what we usually call all back. So if you have watched this video right up to this end, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscription button, and turn on your notification so that when next I drop another video, you'll be the first to get notified and to watch it. Bye.